Hey you, thanks for stopping by. Let's get right to the haul. Here we have a box from AmiAmi. It came in good condition, and so I hope the figures came in good condition as well. I've never had an issue with AmiAmi. Their packaging is very good. And they also give cute art prints, like this one right here. Look at her, it's the Holo pop-up parade with her cute little wheat in her hand. Too bad you won't get to see it since I'll mainly just see her from the front. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? I think Holo is so cute and I've wanted a figure of her, but the ones that I have found are very expensive. Over $100, so this was a good alternative. Oh, how cute is she? I love her detail. I love the details on her dress. She's so cute and very perfect for this time of year. I would highly recommend this figure. Oh, I just love a little blush on her face. Now the problem is just going to be finding a place to display her. Hello again, and this time it's a manga haul. I've got about 4 packages. The first one is Next World by Tezuka. The next one is a manga called Aquarium, and wow, the pages are in different order. Okay. Next is Ballad of a Shinigami. And this one is hard to get out because of the thick bubble wrap. I appreciate it being safe, but if only it were easier to unpackage. Here's another AmiAmi box with a hole in it. That's never happened before, but I'm not worried. Oh, cute. Oh, she's upside down. It is Nadeshiko from Yuru Camp. Oh my gosh, I remember seeing her on pre-order on AmiAmi and I just fell in love with her. I had never heard of Yuru Camp before, but this figure was my introduction to it. Oh my gosh, I just couldn't help it. I've never seen the show or know this character, but she's so cute. And partially because of her pink hair. Something about pink hair on anime girls just makes them so much more adorable and cuter. Okay, getting her in the stand. And she has a little support rod for her leg. Oh my gosh, I just love her face. She's just full of joy. How can you not smile looking at this figure? Sorry about the sunlight, or maybe it does help with give you a better look at the figure. She really brightens up the room. Here's another package. More manga. and more wrapping that is hard to get out. And it is another volume of Ballad of Shinigami. It's 3 volumes, so this should be easy to collect. It's an out-of-print manga, but it's really cheap to get, like around $10 per volume. And here's from Rightstuf. Ooh, nice bookmark and a very well-wrapped manga. Oh, the hardcover of A Silent Voice, the 2nd volume. Oh my gosh, how cute. Now I can finally start reading it. It's so big though. Oh my gosh, I just love the feel of the pages. Let me know if you've thought of collecting the collector's edition or the singles. I just love the little extras the collector's edition has. And here's a volume of Honey So Sweet and these little extras. Is this Guts? What character is this? Looks badass though. Nice bookmark. Ooh. Another little extra. There we go, volume 8. Oh no, volume 3. I'm still missing a couple volumes before I can jump into this series that are not in stock yet. Hopefully soon. Oh, I really do love the covers. And here's Ballad of Shinigami, Volume 1. Very nice. Here we have my very first Miku figure, and it's the Noodle Stop I got from Rightstuf. Let's open her up. Oh, cute! I didn't know she came with this art print. This is another figure I was just in love with when I saw her. Oh my gosh, look at her! Sorry for the lighting, I'll try to fix it. There we go, much better. Oh, I love the purple and pink. Just everything, the ribbons in her hair, her different colored shoes, the little hearts. Oh my gosh, and how she blushes. The letter she's holding. She's just so adorable. I love the colors. She's definitely one of my favorite Mikus. Let me know which Hatsune Miku figure is your favorite. I have other Mikus on pre-order that I hope to get to soon and possibly start a little Miku shrine. And that's all for today. Thanks for stopping by.